Hello everyone. So today we'll be seeing how to download TIA portal. First of all, we will Google download TIA portal version 16 and then go to the download option here. Download Semantic S7. Okay. Now here at the last we'll be going here. See here all the DVD 1 setup, DVD 2 and DVD 3 setups. All the three setups are to be downloaded and these are to be kept in a single folder. Okay, this is how to download the TIA portal, and alternative links for downloading the software is given in the description. So thank you.